Hi guys, welcome to a new video about Flow3 network. It has gained $22 million funding. Flow3 is a network, decentralized physical infrastructure network, or we say Depin project that aims to address the limitations of centralized GPU cloud services such as high cost and limited availability. Here I'm going to go through how to participate in Flow3 airdrop and gain as much as points as you can and be among the first early adapters of this high potential airdrop. So first of all, we are going to establish an online presence, building a community, implementing a reward system. In May 2022, the Flow blockchain announced the 725 million ecosystem fund backed by investors. But here I see only $22 million backing, and there are some great projects like Solana. Okay, this is backed by Solana, Hella Labs, Stability World AI. As you know, Stability World AI is an important factory. Okay, as far as I know, decentralized GPU cloud is very important. AI integration, Web3, and it has a strong roadmap, includes testnet, mainnet, validator network. So I suggest you guys, and as far as I know, Solana, Stability World AI, and Depin Union are very strong backers of this project. Okay, let's go and see how we can participate in this airdrop. First of all, you come here, dashboard.flow3.tech. Okay, and you can use my referral code too, as you can see. And then you come here and download the Chrome extension for this airdrop. And here you can see I have already installed, and you install it. Then you come and install the Phantom Wallet. If you don't have it, install the Phantom Wallet extension, and after that you can go to the extension and choose connect. And here you can see that my wallet address is here, so it means that I have connected my wallet to the Flow3 extension. And after that you can see that these status changed into running. Okay, this is green. It means that extension is running in the background and mining the points. And I'm going through the how you can earn lots of points. Okay, you should come to the airdrop section. Here you should do the daily check-in to get 50 points, and after that you can go for the general tasks. As you can see here, there are lots of like 1,000 points for doing the Flow3 tasks. Okay, you should just click on them and finish. That's all. And you can see your connection daily quality. If you have high quality, of course you will get more points than the low quality ones. Here you can see total points and earn rate. You should care about the connection quality, I think. And there will be some rewards in Solana too, so you should care about this airdrop. And if you wanna keep in touch and stay updated about the new updates of this project and any new airdrops, hit the like button and subscribe so that you will be among the first ones to get informed about new airdrop projects. See you guys. Bye bye.